chord progression. It's all minor. It starts on E minor. So good looking. All right. So you can play it here in the open position. I don't think they are. So let's talk about some other ways to play that. This is a E minor at the 7th fret. We're playing this little stair step shape. This is movable. Like if you move it here, you're playing a D minor. Here's an A minor at the 5th fret. And then this is movable. If you just played those strings at the 7th, it's a B minor. This is more like the kind of thing they're playing. They're doing some bends. Playing little riffs like that. I was just playing that out of the E minor, which is at the 7th fret. E minor pentatonic you can play. Let's see, what are some other things we could do? Here's another way we could play it. We can play the E minor at the 12th fret. We'll take this D minor shape and play it at the 8th fret, and that's makes it an A minor. Slide it up 2 frets up to the 10, and it's a B minor. I'm gonna go to the 12 for the E minor, or you could go back to the 7 for the E minor. So those are just a couple of different ways to play it with some triads. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun. Bye.